Hi, I'm Jerry Carter with the Sierra Crest Business Law Group. I'm talking to you today if you are a business owner who has moved to Nevada and wants to relocate your business to Nevada. A lot of people want to do this because we have favorable tax laws, because we have business-friendly employment laws, and some people want to do it just because they've moved. They're here in Nevada and they want their business to be located where they are. First thing you want to do when relocating your business is you want to work out the mechanics. In your old state, your business is probably held in a corporation or a limited liability company. And now you want that to be a Nevada limited liability company or a Nevada corporation. Basically, when you consult with your attorney, you can file paperwork in the old state and in the new state of Nevada that will relocate the business, so to speak, and turn it into a Nevada LLC or a Nevada corporation. And there's some alternative structures. You can create a new entity from scratch in Nevada and then merge the old into it or have it sell its assets into it. The moral of the story is that there are mechanics to work out. It can all be worked out, and you'll want to closely consult with your business attorney when you do that. Okay, so number two is you got to work out your licenses and permits. You're in a new state now, a new county, a new city, and there are going to be requirements to have a business license. And depending on the type of business you're in, you may have additional requirements. You may need a license, such as a manufacturing license or a food handling license, any number of things. And so all I'm saying here is you got to call the city, you got to call the county and ask them what licenses you need for your business. And usually you can follow the instructions that they give you and get those in place without a lot of trouble. One pro tip here, though, is that some of them require lead time. You're going to, for example, you're going to need to have your place of business, and you're going to need to be able to take pictures, and they may take 6 weeks to process your application. So plan for some lead time. All right, so number three is you want to work effectively with your business attorney. And the fact is, for something like this, you're going to need a business attorney. I wouldn't do it on your own. And so when you work with your business attorney, you want to tell the business attorney everything that's going on in the business, what all the assets of the business are, what the activities of the business are, and where those are, so that the attorney can recommend the right implementation to move your business to Nevada. Relatedly, you need to let the attorney know what the plan is. Are you moving the business from California to Nevada in 1 week? Or is this going to be a phase that takes a couple of years because you have some employees in California or some activities that you want to keep going during a transition period? And so just lay that out for your attorney, and then the attorney will be in the best position to guide you through the relocation process and recommend the right mechanics for doing that. Okay, so I recognize that moving to a new state is an exciting adventure. I also recognize that as a business owner, it's going to be overwhelming because you've got so many people who depend on this business, your employees, your customers, your family, and you can't afford to fumble around and not get this right. So please give us a call, set up a time so we can talk individually about your business and come up with a plan to make this relocation of your business to Nevada work for everyone involved.